See, when you operate in sin, it's for your glory. But when you operate in submission, you allow God to use you, it's for his glory. So in the furnace of affliction, in the midst of a trial that God had deemed for you, the impurities are burned away, or as in the instance, if you ever watch them refine metal and gold and iron and steel, what happens is the impurities float to the top. God makes you aware of what you need to address, to get you ready. Let me point on something real quick. What comes to the top was the very thing that was weakening your strength. The Bible says, out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. The Bible talks about where your heart is, there your treasures lie also.